Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create Apple ID on your Windows. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create an Apple ID on your Windows, open up your web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. Now once you end up in this page, if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in link at the top right hand corner. If you want to create a new account or an Apple ID, simply click on create your Apple ID link right next to the sign in button at the top right. In the first text box where it says first name, type in your first name. Now provide your last name on the next field. Select your country or your region from the drop down and enter your birthday information on the next field. Once you do that, scroll a bit down and create a new Apple ID you'd like to use. You can enter an email address that you have access to. Once you create your Apple ID, go to the next field where it says password and create a password for yourself as well. While creating a password, make sure your password meets these criteria below. Once you meet all the criteria in the password, go to the next field and confirm the password by retyping it again. Soon after you type in your password and confirm it, go to the next field and click the drop down. Select your country code from the drop down. Once you select your country, go ahead and type in a phone number. Make sure to enter a phone number that you always have an access to, since it will be used to verify your identity anytime you sign in on a new device or a web browser. Choose the verification method, whether you'd like to verify with a text message or a phone call. Select one of the options of your choice. And if you want to receive announcements from Apple, simply click on this first box to receive emails and communications, including new releases and exclusive contents. Check on this next box. If you don't want to receive anything, leave both of the boxes unchecked. Finally, go ahead and type in the character that has been displayed right here. Once you enter the characters, click on the continue button beneath. Now, you'll need to verify your email address that you used in order to create your Apple ID. Simply enter the code that has been received via email verification. Once you open up the email, you'll receive an inbox from Apple. Give it a click to open and a verification code will be sent to you. Copy the code and paste it into the verification box. Click the continue button after you are done. And now you'll need to verify your mobile number as well. Enter the verification code sent to your mobile number via SMS. Once you receive the code, type it in the text box. Make sure to type it in correct and click continue to verify your mobile number. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new Apple ID. That is how you can easily create your Apple ID on your Windows. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.